Hey guys, so the Xterio Airdrop mainnet campaign is now live. Like, you can claim the mainnet, you can start farming the mainnet airdrop. Remember, this is not a one-time task. Just like the testnet, the way we farmed the testnet, we did that for a couple of, I think it's over, it lasted for a year or thereabouts. That was the testnet farming. And they keep bringing in tasks like periodically. They keep bringing in tasks then. So but for this one, there is a daily check-in you have to do. You can see early, this is the early program, the early campaign. You see ritual redemption, daily devotion, bridge ritual, stake offering, and this macro sandboard identity. So to farm this mainnet, it's very simple, and it's not having any outraging tax for now. So the major thing here you have to do is to check in daily. You can see if I click on this connect, and also I'll be talking about this Xterio Testnet, this one. So let's conclude for this Xion Mainnet campaign. You see this, what's it called, this collect button. I'll just click on collect, and that's what you do here every day. So to earn more karma, what you are claiming on this Xion Mainnet is the karma, is it karma point or karma token? They've not said, maybe it's the point or token, but we are claiming karma. Look at this daily devotion. So I've just claimed this for today. You see, meted, successfully meted. So now the next important task to do is to stake. This staking will give you 5x multiplier, meaning that for every task you are doing on Xion and the one you'll be doing, because periodically they will keep initiating more tasks. Just like the testnet, I'm trying to make reference to the testnet. You know, in the testnet, like in a month they might bring a tax, another 2 months they bring another tax. I think one of the major reasons why people missed out on the testnet, because the tax is not one time. So but for year, as long as you are farming every day, you are claiming this daily devotion every day, you will know when there is a new tax to do. So if you are not claiming every day, then you have issues knowing when there is a new tax to do, because currently these are the tasks you have to do. This 4-1 daily devotion, bridge ritual, staking offering, and this macro sandboard identity. This macro sandboard identity is verifying your identity, meeting the NFT for identification verification. So to meet this NFT, you need 0 points depending on your username. You see, you own this because I've claimed this. Depending on your username, you'll be spending between 0.32 Xion coin to 19 Xion coin. I spent like 3 Xion coin personally to meet this username. And currently, the price of Xion coin is less than $3, I think $2.80. So you might want to take advantage of this macro sandboard to meet identity. This might help you to gain more karma in future after meeting, apart from this 25 karma that you are seeing. This is the 25. Immediately you meet, you are getting this 25 karma. So this is for this macro. But if you don't want to meet, it's fine. Just make sure you stake. This staking is very important because you are getting 5x multiplier on your earnings on Xion Mainnet campaign. You see, 5x multiplier is different from getting 20 karma or getting 25 karma. So if you want to speed up your earnings, you want to earn more, you want your earnings to keep growing, then ensure you stake at least 5 Xion coin. Look at it. So if you don't have an account on this Xion platform, check the link to sign up in the description box of this video. Sign up and deposit at least 5 Xion coin to stake here. Then after you've deposited, to get your deposit address, this is where you're going to see it at the top of the page here. If you click on this stake, if you click on this stake, it will direct you. Let me click on see details. You see stake link. You should be opening this link on your Mrs. or Kiwi browser. If you don't have a PC, open this link on your Mrs. or Kiwi browser. So for those that have previously registered on Xion, it will be bringing you your dashboard, your main Xion dashboard. But if you don't have an account before, just sign in through the link and you automatically create a, I'll drop the link to sign up on this Xion as well, so that you can sign up on this Xion platform itself and the ecosystem exploration. But I think if you sign up on one, you'll be able to do all of this. So to get your the deposit address for those that are new to this farming, you see on this wallet icon here. On this wallet icon, you are seeing this wallet logo. You are seeing my Xion address. You just copy, go to Biget, Get.io, Bybit, and buy at least 5 Xion. Remember to add gas fee to it and send it to your wallet here. Then come back to this ecosystem exploration to click on stake. It's a one-time staking thing. If you want to stake more, you go back to your staking, the Xion platform, then you click on stake here. You stake, you delegate to any of these validators. You can see delegate. The moment you delegate, you'll be able to stake. That means you're staking, and that's it. The moment you stake, they will automatically verify this NFT for you, and it will be showing you own this. That's for the Xion airdrop, the mainnet campaign. If you're yet to sign up, check the registration link in the description box of this video. The most important task I will recommend you to do is this staking. Participate in this staking with at least 5 Xion and this daily devotion. These two, the moment you've done the staking, come back every day to check in. You see the way I just check in, just a click of button, and that's it. So that you will know when they add more tasks. At the time of making this video, these are the current tasks you have to do. Just take, meet this username, and breach ritual. I don't want to breach. You have to spend 10 USDC on Xterio Mainnet network to breach. So if I send in 10 USDC here under Xterio Mainnet, then I can click on this details, then click on bridge link. I haven't deposited any USDC here, so that's why I've not breached. So I'll just click on deposit. I think this is even slow. So if you want to bridge, you can just follow the prompts to bridge. You are bridging 10 USDC on Xterio Mainnet to Xion Mainnet. That's what you are doing. 10 USDC from Xterio Mainnet to Xion Mainnet. Click on details and follow the link. The moment you do that, you receive this 20 karma, and this tax will be showing you own this NFT. So that's it. So for this Xterio Testnet, this is another testnet, and they have a good funding. They raise about $45 million as their funding. So you can participate in that testnet to earn reward. It's ending on the 27th of this month of December 2024. So this is it. What you have to do here is to claim on this tax. You see social tax, all of this. Follow Xterio games on X. Like tweet and all of that. Sign up, add your referral so that you can get 10 points. I've just signed up. You click on this plus sign, enter your referral code, and click on confirm. Immediately you do that, you get 10 points by adding referral. So check the referral code and the link to sign up in this Xterio in the description box of this video as well. So after you must have signed up, then come back to the main task. After signing up, come back to the main task. You see this retreats, like all of this social tax. But the only thing here is that you need this the Xterio Mainnet to claim. If I click on claim now, you see it's telling me insufficient gas on Xterio chain, BNB. You can get this gas in 2 ways. Either by going to the exchange and buy BNB, then withdraw via Xterio chain, or you bridge from their website from the BSC network to the Xterio chain network. So what I need to do here is to add BSC, the BNB coin, to my wallet. I'm using MetaMask wallet. Click on this add funds. Click on crypto bridge. And you are saying connect wallet. So I don't have enough BNB to do this. I need to deposit more BNB. You see, I'm having 0.00. This is not even up to $1. I need to deposit BNB, maybe like $5 worth. Then I'll just click on enter amounts, enter the amounts here. Something like this. Then you see review bridge, insufficient BNB. Then you click on that review bridge, and that's it. You'll be able to bridge from BSC network to this Xterio chain network. The moment you bridge, then come back to this page, and you'll be able to use the token that you've bridged as gas fee. The moment you bridge to Xterio network, then come back here to click on confirm. It will no longer be showing insufficient gas on Xterio chain. They raised $45 million as funding from major investors, so you should not fade any of this airdrop. Check the registration link in the description box of this video and start farming. This Xterio is ending on the 27th. Make sure you are there. The tax is limited, like it's not something too much. Just the bridging thing. That's the only tax that I see there. Every other thing is cheater tax. So guys, this is the update on the Xion Mainnet airdrop campaign and the Xterio Testnet. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel. Also turn on your notification bell and you'll be notified of my back-to-back updates. You can as well join my Telegram community. Check the link in the pinned post in the comment section or the description box of this video. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.